Hello, we're going to do problem number 12. So let's go ahead and first look at this. So we have int bracket bracket r equals this giganto array, and then we're going to print line the result of frog r. So what's happening? Well, frog is a method. It's actually this method that returns a double, which is a decimal, and it takes in this array. So what you're going to basically do is that whole array gets fed into the method. So the array is really that giant array R up here. Anyway, let's go through the loop. So I'm just going to start it, and then I think you're going to get the pattern. So we're going to say I starts as 0. So for this one, I is 0. It is less than array.length. Array.length is obviously a certain amount of length long. In this case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. So really, it's less than 10. Honestly, you don't need to do this. I just kind of did it for fun. But let's see what happens. So num equals num plus array I. So array I is just array 0. What is that? Well, that's the 0th item. Isn't that 51? Now I plus plus. I plus plus is 1. So 1 is still less than the length. So we're just going to go ahead and now add to num, we will add array I. I'm sorry, which is array 1. Array 1 is the 52. So add on 51 plus 52, and I get 103. All right, let's keep going. I plus plus is 2, still less than 10. So this time we're going to add num equals num plus array 2. Array 2 is the 36. So 103 plus 36 is 139? Yes, okay. Okay, you kind of could see what's happening. Honestly, you don't even have to trace through all of this to see what's happening. But let's look at this. So if it's less than the length, honestly, I didn't even need to put the 10 here. I could have just said, like, okay, this is less than length, less than or equal to length minus 1. Let me type that really quick. Whoops. Shrink that. Make it red. I is less than or equal to length minus 1. And as you remember, just like a string, the last position of an array is always at position length minus 1. So basically, it's just going to go through the whole array and add everything up. So literally, all I have to do is just add up all these items to just figure out 51 plus 52 plus 36 plus 5 plus 32 plus 12 plus 11 plus 45 plus 1 plus 37. Add them all up, and you should get whatever it says in the answer, which is 282. Now, why is it 282.0? Well, that's because it returns a double, not an int. And that is okay, because your final answer, because it's returning a double, is 282.0, and that is exactly what you should get. So that's how to do number 12.